Hey guys, so this is a quick guide on how to fill the student enrollment form for 30 days of Google Cloud program. So I'll just scroll down. You can read it if you want. Now we have these terms and conditions. You must read it. I've already read it, so I'll click yes and next. Now you have to enter your name, your email ID, and you have to confirm your email ID. Now again, you can use a personal email ID, but I'll suggest you that you use SNE ID only. You have to fill your gender, then you have to give your shipping address. Now note that you have to fill in the address of your home and not Shiv Nadar University. Also keep in mind that you fill the pin code of whichever district you belong to. Now you have to choose your t-shirt size. Select your institution. Now this is very important. You have to select Shiv Nadar University. After that you have to fill in your year of graduation. Mine is 2023. Right. Now comes the important part. Do you have an account on Google Labs or not? So for beginners, I'll select no. Right. Now it will bring me to this page. I'll navigate to google.quicklabs.com. Now here's the button of joining. I'll join. Now you can sign in with Google or you can make your own account. So I'll sign in with Google. After you sign in with Google, you have two options. I have two options right now. It is not necessary that you use the same ID to make the account. I'll accept. Yeah, welcome Sanskar. So I'll verify that I have made an account on Quick Labs. Go to next. So we are left with a few mandatory steps. I'll directly jump into step number 2. Yeah, so I'll have a pop-up of this video. I'll advise you to go through this video once. I'll skip it for now. I'll sign in with Google. Yeah, so I'll be redirected to this page again. Now this is a lab which says a tour of Quick Labs in Google Cloud. I'll start the lab for now. Small verification. Now here you can see we have the overview and what will you learn. So this lab basically will teach you and introduce you to Quick Labs and Google Cloud platform. You can go through it once if you are a complete beginner. Now on the left hand side you can see that Quick Labs has created a new virtual environment for me. I'll open Google Console. Now always remember that you have to do this in an incognito window. Now comes the important part. You do not have to use your personal email ID. You have to use this generated username. So I'll copy this and paste it again. Copy the password. I'll paste it here and next. I'll accept terms and conditions. Click confirm. Yeah, bit of more agreements. I'll agree and continue. So here's your console. Now this console is GCP, as you got it, Google Cloud Platform. You will have the search bar over here. You will have your navigation menu over here. Now this platform has different sections: compute for storage, networking, AI, big data, and you can also integrate it with Google solutions like Google Maps and other partner solutions as well. So don't worry if you know nothing about it right now. Do not worry at all. The program is designed to make you learn that only. So now I'll close this console. Now what you guys have to do, you have to wait for at least 5 minutes. I have already completed, so I'll end the lab. Make sure you wait for 5 minutes and the lab once it is 40:00. And end lab. Click on OK. It'll ask me for review. Yeah. So I'll close this window. Now I'll jump into this third URL. Okay, you need to sign up before. Yeah, I'll sign in. Okay, so I've completed this lab which says a tour of Quick Labs and Google Cloud 10 minutes ago. Now you will see that here's a button says which says view public profile. I'll click on it. I'll make my profile public. Yeah, so here's your public profile. You will see all your batches over here. Here's the URL which you have to copy. We'll copy this URL, close this window, and paste the URL over here. So your URL looks like this: google.quicklabs.com, public profiles, and a unique code. Now you have to acknowledge that you have filled in the correct information and just submit. Yeah, congrats, you have filled your enrollment form and we'll begin shortly. Thanks.